Reading while listening, a highly effective approach to engage beginning and intermediate readers of French as a second language and help them improve both the reading and listening comprehension. Hello, this is Mike from Aquila. Welcome to a quick tour of our new online resources for elementary and high school French as a second language and French immersion. Aquila audiovisual books feature carefully leveled, read-aloud dialogue stories with highlighted synchronized text for grades 3 to 10 FSL students. Written and narrated specifically for young French as a second language learners, each original text is read at a slow yet natural pace by professional voice actors in clear, standard international French. Students see the highlighted words while listening to the story, making it much easier for them to follow along and understand the text. Let's go over the features included in a subscription. Common login. When your school buys a subscription, all teachers, students, and parents in your school share the same username and password. This makes Aquila Online Books easy to use and secure. Teachers, students, and parents do not need to enter any personal information ever. Signing in is easy. Just go to aquilaonlinebooks.com and enter your username and password. To start using the online books, just scroll down to your book and click the green play arrow. It will open in a separate tab, and you can start reading and listening by clicking play. Pause, rewind, adjust the playback speed just like you would any video with the scrubber and settings at the bottom of the screen. Books come in all levels from low beginner through advanced. The levels are shown in the description and in the brochure PDF. You can also filter the titles by level by selecting the level in the pull-down menu at the top. Find My Book helps students quickly go to the title they are assigned. Just enter any part of the title or the book number, and only that title will appear on the screen. It will stay that way until the search is cleared. This also makes it easy for students to keep that title up while working on the activities. Free voluntary reading. While teachers can assign specific books, students also enjoy unlimited access to the library of more than 200 titles. They can choose titles that interest them most to read and listen to anytime. A wonderful, easy way to develop independent reading. Follow-up comprehension, vocabulary, easy grammar, and writing activities are included with each book. These are available in many formats. Printable PDF forms. Teachers can download these and distribute them to their students. Students can also download them and complete them on their screens or on paper. Make sure to download first, then complete the answers on your own copy to save your work. Google quizzes. These return a score when completed. Teachers can make a copy of the quizzes with full editorial control and assign them to their students. Google Docs. Much like Microsoft Word documents, teachers can download these with full editorial control. These are also printable. Microsoft Forms quizzes. These return a score when completed. Teachers can make a copy of the quizzes with full editorial control and assign them to their students. And finally, Microsoft Word. Teachers can download these with full editorial control. These are also printable. As you can see, Aquila Online Books is designed to be simple, secure, and easy to use for teachers, students of all ages, parents, and supply teachers. With one shared school login, teachers, students, and parents can access the entire library from any device, whether they're at school or learning from home. Every book also comes with ready-to-use follow-up activities in printable PDF forms, Google Classroom quizzes and docs, Microsoft Quiz Forms, and Microsoft Word. That makes Aquila Online Books a perfect addition to any French program or method to reinforce reading and listening comprehension. All of our online resources also have companion print books that are sold separately. These are great for teachers who want both print and digital media in their classrooms or want to build up their classroom print book libraries. You can explore those on our print books website at aquilacommunications.com. With more than 200 titles and thousands of activities for learners at every level, a school-wide subscription is an outstanding value. For just $2.99 a year, every teacher, student, and parent in your school gets unlimited access to the complete library at school and at home. Thousands of students in schools across Canada and the U.S. are already using Aquila Online Books to build stronger reading and listening skills. If you'd like to learn more, have questions, or would like a short personal online demonstration, I will be happy to help. And if you're purchasing for an entire school board, discounted district-wide pricing is available. We invite you to explore the AquilaOnlineBooks.com website. There are over 100 previews, brochures, testimonials, and FAQs for you to learn more about our program. Thank you for your time and have a great day.